Coming up in this episode.
This is now turning into a nightmare.
This has got to go. Nice though it is, it's not in keeping with my computer room. So, we're going to swap it out for this. Let's go. First up, let's disable the lights. Okay, it's the third one in. Old lights, downstairs circuit. Oh, there we go. Let's get this old light fitting down. Start with this little beastie. Right, that's going on eBay from Gumtree. Let's pop that down in the sales pile. Okay, what have we got here? We've got this bracket and we've got two live wires. Two wires, live and neutral. Anywho, let's get this hook off because I don't think this comes with. Oh, it does have brackets. There we go. Rather call this a graceful unboxing. This should go down there. Right. Probably gone dead. That's gone dead. Okay, it's charging. Right. So we have this. Which, looking at this, I think this might. Yeah, it comes off. Right. Okay. So what we want to do is we're aiming for about. There, aren't we? Okay. Pop that on my drum. That goes into there. So, we need to join these up. And we need to screw this up as well. So, first things first, let's get this bracket off and then we can use these two screw holes to fit this. That's one. Two, what the? Oh no. Where's it gone? There it is. Okay. Right. Move these, go straight back into those holes. I need something to stand on, this chair's too wobbly. What have I got? What can I get? Bear with me, people. Okay, I have a chair, let's continue on. Oh, where's the other screw? Oh, there it is. Okay. Goes. Let's put those through there. It goes there. Let's see if this one goes in there. Yes, perfect. Perfect, darling, perfect. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? Let's screw that in. Oh, splendid. God, that's really firm. Secure. Right. Now. Right, actually I've got some connectors. They're going to be too big to fit now. But I did buy some connectors. So let's open up the magic box. Hang on. Got those ones. I found some. Okay, I've got a set of these. Oh no, I've dropped them. looking a right mess here. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. So, I have this type. The lighting's very bad in there, isn't it? But that's why we're going to improve it. Or these. I think I'm going to try this one first because it's quite flat. I need pliers. Or do I? Oh, foobar. Oh, mate. Oh, now I'm in trouble. Oh, bollocks. Why did that? Oh, man. Oh. No, I can't find it. Where was it attached? Oh, there it is. Oh, there's nothing on it at all. Oh, this is now turning into a nightmare. Mr. Happy? I think not. Whatever Mr. Man I choose, the opposite always happens every day. I'm going to have to pause it here while I investigate into this hole. There we go. Look at all this lovely mess because of that damn wire. Fortunately though, I've managed to get hold of it and get a bit further on it, so should be able to put the clips on these now, and then we should hopefully be good to go. Now, how do these clips work? That pops out there and then snaps in. So I could put them both in those, and then they route out to, difficult to see there, but this routes up to the top line, and then you can spur off, and then this one is on the bottom rail. But I'm going to look at these. And the main reason is, when I push down on that wire, on the clip, it just didn't hold it very securely. So, let me try these clips. Well, thus far I'm not impressed with those. Solder steel wire connectors. Okay, it's got the instructions. I'm actually going to read them for once. Push that through there and then heat it up. Is that right? I need a bit more cable out of this, so I'm going to chop that off there. Pretty good. That didn't work. Look what I've done. Oh my word. This shouldn't be that difficult. Let's be honest. Go. Just squishy it, and then we'll heat up the heat shrub. That doesn't work. Oh, it's come. Oh, this is shit. What a load of shit. Okay, so I'm not particularly happy how that went. Those solder connectors are pretty rubbish, I say. But anyway, let's get it up and see what happens. I think so. Okay, let's go and turn the electrics back on. The lighting circuit is back on. Okay, moment of truth. Yeah, baby! Whoa, that's pretty bright. So let's see what we can do with the remote control. Okay, let's turn it off. Ooh, I love the way that fades out. On, off. Ooh, that's lovely. What we got in terms of colour?
Hey, why don't you follow along with us by tapping the subscribe button?
Quite like that. Ooh. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And it looks quite stylish as well. Certainly moderned up the room. Yeah, well pleased with that. Job's a good one. Oh, this is fantastic. What colour am I going to stick with? I quite like the sun, you know. This is fantastic. I love it. Well, if you're in the market for a light, I recommend getting this one. I bought it from Amazon, but yeah, well worth the money. Job's a good one. Bye for now.
Want to see more project videos? I got you right here.